So hi guys, now we're gonna work on verifying identities, and we have this equation here, number 9, which it looks like difficult, right? But maybe it's not that difficult. We want to prove that what we have here is the same as what we have here. So we have sine square of x over 1 plus cosine of 2x equals tangent square of x over 2, right? So we don't know where to begin, right? But if we look at the formulas that you have under the video, the formula sheet they have under the video, we have to try to find something that kind of relates. It looks like sine, tangent, cosine of 2x. And if we look closely, it looks it looks easier for me is try to find an equation that defines cosine of 2x here on the worksheet. And if we try to look here, do we have something of cosine of 2x? And if we look down here, Mick, do you see that? Here, yes, here, Mick. So we have here cosine of 2 theta equal cosine of theta square minus sine of theta square, right? So we have this in here. Let's look what we can do with this in here, right? So when we look here again, and we look here again, it looks like if we use this one here that it has the -1, we will be able to cancel this -1 in here with this +1 in here. Let's write the identity that we have out here. We have that cosine. Do you guys see? Maybe I'm gonna use another color. This one, cosine of 2 x. I'm gonna write it x instead of theta equals 2 cosine square of x minus 1. Okay, this one is the one we have in here. Okay, cosine of 2 theta equals 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Okay, so now if I put this inside of cosine, right, 2x, we're gonna be able to simplify it. So let's try it. So my pen just felt here, and I'm trying to recover it. Great. So yeah, Mickey just fell also. Oh my god. Okay, so we have sine square of x over 1 plus, and now I put all this because we're gonna substitute cosine of 2x for all this. So 2 cosine square of x minus 1 equals tangent square of x over 2. Now we have a +1 and -1 that they're gonna cancel out, correct? So we have sine square of x over 2 cosine square of x equals tangent square of x over 2. Now, if we look again to the formula sheet, we never have to forget this basic one, that tangent of theta equals sine of theta over cosine of theta. Okay, and we can use again, I don't know if you prefer to express it in here or in here. I'm gonna write it down. It's tangent of theta equals sine theta over cosine of theta. Okay, and now let's see what we can do with that. Do you see, guys, here? Okay, this is actually, if you think about it, sine square of x over cosine square of x, this is the same as this it's important that you understand the notation. This is the same as this. So that means that this is sine of x over cosine of x squared. Okay, so this is all the same. So now we're gonna use this tangent. We're gonna put the tangent here, right? So this is tangent square of x. So all this is tangent square of x. So this is tangent square of x over 2 equals tangent square of x. So now we have proved that the right and the left side are the same thing. Okay, so again, it's like a puzzle that you're trying to find the way that it makes sense. Okay, thank you.